Hey, welcome back. Stress is a natural part of any career journey, but learning to manage it effectively is crucial for maintaining both your mental and your career performance. Chronic stress can lead to burnout, which in turn can derail your productivity and career progress. A key strategy for managing stress is learning to compartmentalize it. When facing stressful situation, try breaking it down into smaller, more manageable pieces. This will help you to reduce the feeling of overwhelm and give you a clear path forward. Incorporating regular breaks into your routine is also important. Even a 5-minute break can give your brain the reset it needs to stay focused and productive. Simple relaxation techniques like deep breathing or short walks can work wonders for lowering stress levels. So, today's action step: identify one source of your stress in your workplace. Write down 2 ways you can better manage this stress, whether through better time management, seeking a support from your colleagues, or practicing mindfulness. Now, let us recap. Managing a workplace stress is critical for maintaining your well being and career performance. Develop a plan to handle stress more effectively and avoid burnout. So, please subscribe to this channel for more insights on career coaching. Happy learning. This is Mandar Kulkarni signing out for now until we see once again.